In today's short and quick video, I'm going to be talking about the Honey Can Do double dispenser. If you haven't seen it, I also did a video on the single dispenser. This is the double, so this is taking my game to a whole nother level. No, I'm just kidding, either way. But this just doubles the amount of cereal you can have, or treats, or whatever it is. So I wanted to show you quickly the difference, and we'll do the setup and what's inside the box and how to assemble this. Super simple. And it's a great durable product. So hopefully this video helps answer some of your questions. And yeah, anyway, let's get into it, see what's inside. First of all, we're going to talk about each canister holds 3.785 liters of product in each one. Let's see, preserves freshness and flavor. So you'll see it's not letting water or air into it. Dispenses 30 milliliters with each twist. All right, inside the box, here's what you get. And one thing I do want to cover, in the last video I did not show you, but there are instructions in case you need them. But you know what, I did this the first time without instructions, and I'm going to do it again without instructions. Who needs them? Anyway, it's that simple. It's that simple, you don't need them. So anyway, follow with me, and we'll get this thing built in a matter of seconds, maybe a minute, something like that. We'll see. Either way, first things first, it comes with your double base. The single, obviously, there is only one base. So it comes with your double base, and there it is, Honey Can Do. See, Honey Can Honey Do? Or Honey Can Do? Oh boy, I might have messed up, I don't know. Is it Honey Can Do or Can Honey Do? I'm not sure, but anyway, let's get talking about the product, let's get it building. First steps first, you'll see here is where the, oh my gosh, you guys are probably wondering, where are the actual containers? They're on the floor. I couldn't fit them on the table right now for the camera, so I'll show you those in a second. But first things first, you'll see there are 4 clips on the bottom of this, and on the stand itself, the base, they're gonna snap into place. So let's do that right about now. Boom, it's like magic. See how easy that was? No, it was pretty easy. I just had to get it a little close to me so I didn't snap the plastic or anything like that. So it is plastic, you'll see. Pretty flexible, so I just want to be careful not to snap it in, or to crack it into place. So anyway, so after you got that done, the next easiest part is the drip tray. So you can put, or the crumb tray, drip tray, is it still called a drip tray if it's dry ingredients, or if it's just liquid? I'm not sure, but either way, real simple, throw that on. And throw this up, boom. And these are the caps. I'll show you where they go in a second. All right, so here we go. We got the canisters. Each one holds 3.785 liters of product. And each twist will give you 30 milliliters. So we'll talk about that as well. The lid, real simple, it just lifts off. There is no seal on it, but it does have a good suction. So it is a nice, there's definitely a suction to it, which is going to help prevent any air from getting in there. So, and keep your ingredients fresher longer. So after that, the bottom, you'll see, here's that lid that I showed you earlier. And there is a seal on this to prevent anything from coming out. So that's going to go on the bottom just like that. A little twist on, and it's on. And then it sits right into place. Same thing for the other, but let me show you the inside too. I didn't show you that. You'll see inside here, there's a little wheel, if you will. And you'll see I twist it, and it puts out 30 milliliters in each one of those. So as you twist it, it's dropping 30 milliliters. And same thing for the bottom. Put that on, there's a little handle there. Twist that on. Not even twist, it just pops on. There you go. And we'll put the lid right on. And we'll put that into place. And there you go. There is your double dispenser. And when it's time to fill up your cereal or whatever else you want to put in there, maybe some candy or some other little treats you want to put in there, you can put that easily in there, put the lid back on. And before you start dispensing, don't forget, there is a seal or a lid at the bottom you have to take off. Just like that, before you start dispensing. Otherwise, it's just going to get messy. But that's why there's a drip tray, or a dry tray, whatever it's called. And then each flip of the knob is putting out 30 milliliters of product. And then when you're done, don't forget, put the lid back on underneath. The upside down lid? Is it the upside down lid? There you go. So that is the double dispenser. And this was the single dispenser. So you'll see the difference side by side. The height is identical. You could probably put 3 side by side. Nobody will notice the difference. Or maybe, you know, 2 for cereal, 1 for candy. So just wanted to see the side by side comparison for you. Otherwise, let me get that off the camera. And I hope this video answered some of your questions about the Honey Can Do double dispenser. And I will see you in one of my other videos. See ya!